Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Reed, this is Reed's Beauty Chip, and I just want to say that I tried filming this once and my filming thing went kaput, so we're going to do this again. This is my Ipsy unboxing. I get in the sample bag, and then I get the glam up. So I get the glam bag and I get the glam bag plus. Now they are changing up their stuff where they have the kind of like the Boxy Luxe, but it's the Ipsy version. With them merging, I'm not surprised that they're doing this. I think it's worked really well for Boxy, so I think Ipsy's going to give it a whirl. So, simplify it because I already did this once. So, cute little bag. It's a nice, like, waterproof bag. Little samples. And the theme is Dream It for January. So it seems like it's really into like the clean beauty and all that. So I've already talked about this once. We're going to talk about it again. Youth to the People. It is a sample of their new Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. It does have the Acai Prickly Pear Goji. It also has squalene in it. Youth to People. It's fragrance free. I didn't smell any scent or anything like that. I do worry that for Youth to the People, this to me is a waste of packaging for them. So I am concerned that they did that, because usually they're really better about that. The next one we have is, and that full size goes for $44. The next one we have is the Hydrating Balm Super Sativa Wellness. To me it looks like a lip balm, but it is not. So if you have like dry elbows, this face, body, nutrient dense. Full size, this is $15. So this may be a sample because I thought it was a lip balm. So it also works on cuticles if you want to put it on your cuticles. So it is a cannabis hemp seed oil combination. Does it have the percent? No. But it's vegan, organic, and cruelty free. Sometimes they'll give you percents. The next we have is by Clara's New York Moisturizing Rosehip Facial Oil. I guess we're just going to facial oil right out here for samples. This is 100% natural. Usually rosehip oil is 100%. If it's not, I would hate to see what junk ingredients they add into this. It is an oil serum with vitamin E and stuff. Now, when it says natural, it does not mean it's organic. It means it comes from natural ingredients that can be factory processed. So not everything in here. So do pay attention to that. There is a difference between natural and organic. Now organic has a really shorter lifespan. This one has a lifespan of 12 months. Like I said, this is a sample, but full size, this is $24.99. So facial oils, I really like mixing in because right now I have what's called a serum stick, and I do like mixing my facial oils with my serum stick. It just helps blend in the oils. We're in a drier time of year. I live in a dry climate anyway, so it's just dry pretty much all the time. But for other people, this is a time where you really want to use your moisturizing gels versus your creams and your facial oils. Yay! Hey Honey. Hey Honey. I like Hey Honey. Hey Honey is out of Denver, Colorado. It's very, very cute. It is a Trick or Treat CC2 cream. This is light to medium. So, an interesting. CC creams are coming back. This time of year, they actually work really well for that, for people with textured skin and stuff. But I have noticed that they've been working on this. Treat your skin, trick your imperfections with color. Full size, this is $38. For days when you sleep in, the CC cream is one-step wonder for glowy skin. Swap your go-to foundation for this skin smoothing formula. It helps calm rosacea, redness, irritation using honey and propolis, which is why I like Hey Honey. Last one we have is the Catrice Luminous Highlighter in Lumi. Not that I need another highlighter, but hey. I don't know, the dogs are doing something over there and entertaining my husband. So this is Catrice. Now this goes for $12, which is a little higher for Catrice usually. But I would say this is basically almost a full-size highlighter for Catrice. Because here's, let's see, here's my good girl one from Lottie London. So really good insides and stuff. So to me, this is basically, it says it's a deluxe sample. I'd hate to see what a full size of this is because this is pretty big, but this is Lumi. So that is the first bag. That goes, like I said, for $12. Not too bad of a price. Next we have is the Glam Bag Plus. Oh, Glam Bag X. That's what they're promoting, is the Glam Bag X and stuff. So this isn't the Glam Bag Plus. This is them promoting Glam Bag X. So what they did is they sent me that, or they really jacked up my order. Because I only got one item in here. And it is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. Like I said, it soothes and moisturizers. It's supposed to be great for that kind of stuff. But this time of year, I'm more prone to use gels versus creams for moisturizers and stuff. Growing up with eczema, so it's kind of a story of why she does it. So it's got milk proteins, jojoba, and avocado oils. Now, if you have milk allergies, milk proteins should not affect you. That is something that some people are always concerned when they see milk. Milk proteins are different than dairy, lactose, things like that. So your skin should not react to it like that. So hopefully that helps a little bit on that. Conditions, restores. So it's for basically more textured skin and stuff like that. I need to check and see if they jacked up my bag. Because if they just put one item in there, that is, or did I just, maybe I just specialized. I'm not sure. Oh, all the different things to do. I don't know why they have like horoscope stuff in here, which I don't understand that, but that's okay. So yeah. So that is that. Maybe I don't think I did, but that was what I got in my Ipsy Plus. Glam Plus. Go figure. I don't know if I'm going to do Glam Bag X since it's it's interchangeable with one of those subscriptions and stuff. I'll have to look into it more. I haven't made a final decision about that or anything, but I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I will try to find out more about what happened to my Ipsy, and I will talk to you all soon.